Hello everyone. I had to come live. I don't know why. I was sleeping and I got a very weird kind of dream where there was a fire around and there were a lot of people who were affected due to that. People were rushing out and people were trying to find a way out, and this is something like very weird kind of dream where there was some wedding and there was a lot of fire. So this means that Mars energy is very active. It is not allowing people to sleep. If they are sleeping, they are getting weird kind of dreams. So let's see how many people are there who can just join this live and can ask the questions. So let me try inviting people. Okay, so yeah, as I always do, I have invited few of the people for live thing. So let's see with the wisdom of Oracle what this dreams, which weird kind of dreams which we are getting, what's the meaning of those dreams, and how significant those dreams are, and whether they are subconscious mind projecting what is happening inside us, or it is something else. Okay, so blessed, it's card number 22, which is an angelic number, and it is called blessed. So let me read it out for you. So card number 22 is blessed. So okay, so it's something wonderful that is unearthed and unexpected grace, that is an unforeseen gift from the spirit. There is a moment in life when out of blue it seems that everything has been obstructed by divine intervention. You feel blessed in the ways that are different to express. It is as if the Red Sea parts in the front of you and events come together to banish your troubles easily and naturally. You know deep down that you did not deserve any of this, yet here you are. This is one of those times. Let awe and gratitude for all your blessings guide you now. So write down all your blessings, and this is the only solution which is available right now. So 19 is flexible. Be flexible for the change, which is card number 19, which is number 1. So 4 to 1, like there is a travel from 4, that is Rahu, that is 2020, which is 22, 1 and 9, which is like completion, like 1 and 0. So be flexible. So flexibility shows that 19 days more extension could be there. Teachability, openness, being adaptable without compromising what's most important. And trees' roots are solidly planted in the ground, yet its branches can blend in hurricane. Wherever the rigid structure like building would come crashing down, so there is an earthquake for sure which is coming near 19th of May. I predict that 19th of May till 22nd of May we should be very flexible. There could be earthquakes coming in, there could be fire, there could be floods which will make upside down, different buildings will come crashing. Consider how the tree remains subtle and secure when everything around it may be in shambles. This is how you need to be now, willing to learn new things, teachable, malleable, yet firmly grounded in who you are. Common sense is important, but so open mind. Stay curious, stay open, stay aware. At this time, others will be more flexible with you now. So, buildings come crashing, so down. So this could be the situation. So let's see what else do we need to know. TikTok, okay. So TikTok 3:30, 30th of May will be the rate determining day when things will settle down. So this is TikTok. Time is tickling. Time clock is tickling. So it's 30, like Guru Jupiter. So 30th of May, it could be 30th September also, like 1 and 9 in September, like 30th. So it is like timeless, divine in timing, immeasurable time. when humans created time, everything changed and contracted. People have come to look at time in a linear way, imagining that the past is behind them, future is ahead of them. But what if it isn't true at all? What if everything, creativity, beauty, chaos, and orders were happening down in glorious timelessness? You have all the time in the world to create a life you desire, and so release your agenda, let go of your needs to shape each moment as per your expectation, knowing that what is yours will never be withheld from you. It can be snatched out from you. Miracles are here right now and always show up when you need them, right on time. So this is what the cards are telling. Let's see what's the clarification card about this TikTok. I hope Lord Shiva doesn't come. I hope any destruction card doesn't come. So let's see, but it will not work as per my wish, right? So let's see. It's Isis. Okay, it's again queen from the Egypt, which is magic manifestation in your dreams. I was talking about the dreams when I started. Your dreams, vision, and goals have become reality. Stay focused. Stay focused. Keep a check on your dreams. So what else? Mahavatar Babaji. He comes very often now. He was not coming too often before. So it's soul expansion. Your consciousness is expanding into different horizons. You understand